We are right outside our Mogao caves right now, but first we're gonna have lunch. Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Wow, it's stacked to the heavens eh.
Your chocolate sundae is really
maxed out. I'm gonna put it here so
Wow!
it's warm. Oh, the sundae is warm.
Gluten's morning. Gluten's morning.
Photography and videography is not allowed in the Mogao grottos, so unfortunately this part of the vlog is going to be especially short. We bought our attraction tickets on trip for $46 and it includes 2 digital films, a round-trip shuttle bus, 8 to 10 regular caves and a Chinese guided tour. I wish I could show you guys more, but we've got to adhere to the rules and protect the grottos. So we're on the bus. Oh my god, the fucking fly! We are done with the Mogao caves. It was so nice, but unfortunately we couldn't see a lot of the grottos. Yeah, they weren't really open to public yet.
Protected.
So understandable. Hopefully in 20 years time we can come back again. And maybe they'll have done restoration work by then.
Hopefully 20 years later, Dunhuang will have a high-speed rail.
Oh, that would be nice. Yeah, so now we are heading back to the visitor center and then we are going for a performance. It's called the Dunhuang Dunhuang, which is the sound of Dunhuang. We are at ancient sound of Dunhuang.
Listen back.
Thank you. The food actually quite smelly.
Yeah.
This is the lawsuit one. That's why it's smelly.
Oh, wonder. So now we try and find out how donkey meat tastes like.
Cheers. It just tastes like meat but very hard.
It just tastes like beef. It's not that bad. It's actually quite alright.
There's not much taste to it though.
Oh, the noodle is nice though.
Really?
Oh my god.
It's egg inside.
It was amazing.
Sis, have you tried lawsuit film before?
Yes, I did. I hated it. The one Aaron bought was shit, but I don't know. Maybe the one here is good. Let me try a lawsuit one, please.
I think you drink the soup first. If you can tahan the soup, right, you will like it.
Thank
But I
you.
love it.
Actually, no, but it's up close. It's not too bad.
I don't smell the chow wei.
Oh fuck, damn good.
Oh my god,
I
maybe
love it.
maybe
Oh,
it's the
damn
unique
nice.
tasting.
It's
Damn nice.
Take some. I can't finish one.
The one that Aaron bought sucks.
Yeah.
This one's really good.
It is damn good.
Yeah, for a tourist trap, the food here is actually quite nice.
Yeah.
It's quite surprising.
I love
This is hands down one of the best performances I've ever watched in my life. But it also comes with the worst crowd management I've ever experienced in China. So let's start with the good part first. They successfully told a compelling story of how the Silk Road introduced China to many musical instruments, especially the pipa, which originated from West and Central Asia. The costumes, dance and visuals were amazing, and you really felt like the Mogao cave ancient paintings and rock carvings came to life. We were so impressed by the performers, and honestly I'm just impressed by Chinese performances all the time. They're really freaking good. Now on to the bad part. As the ancient son of Dunhuang wanted an immersive experience for the viewers, there is no proper barricade to control the crowd, and not just that, protect the performers from assholes who'd harass them like waving their probably piss and poo stained hands just an inch away from their faces. We only got to watch this lady for 10 seconds because she was stationed right at the entrance of the seated concert hall. Everyone rushed in the moment the doors opened to fight for good seats. Our tickets were ordinary seats, but even the VIP and Supreme tickets do not give you the option for seating, which is quite dumb, right? Our experience wasn't ruined in any way though, because Aaron and Yate managed to snatch good seats in Kiasu Singaporean style after doing their research online about the layout of this theatre. And now I'll show you our favourite performance. love the Oh my god, I love that you get to see the costume pieces up close. It's so smart. They actually use hot glue for the detailing. They use rope for the hair, and then inside is really heartfelt. Oh my god, so pretty. Eva foam. Inside is Eva foam. Bruh, the workmanship, so pretty.
It's cute. Oh, this one really need witness. Hey, actually, that's kind of cute.
Do I look at the performer?
A little bit.
Dun 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 dun.
Isn't it?
You look so natural, baby. You should go home like this.
Alright.
Ooh. Hey, but actually, this suits you.
Yeah, very nice.
This one suits you.
This is beautiful. Thank you for displaying all this. So we are at a Dunhuang milk tea shop right now. I bought some cheese apricot drink. Apricots seem to be a huge thing in Dunhuang. Oh, such a acquired taste.
Like
Okay, so what's yours again? Some Silk Road.
Silk Road Rain.
heavy milk.
Oh!
It's very nice.
Oh, this one's nice.
It's not very nice. I like yours.
This one is just the one milk. It tastes like this.
Do you like it?
I not fancy apricot.
Same. It's a quite acquired taste.
It is,
You want apricot?
I like this apricot taste. It's not too sweet.
I find it very sweet.
Oh, really?
You know what? We're mixing in the cheese now. I think that's what we should have done from the beginning. Okay, let's give it another try. Okay, this time around we mix the cheese in. Oh, it's so much better. No, it is so much better. They have to mask that really sour apricot taste.
It tastes like Yakult, but yogurty.
What's this?
Sweet potato, 高会
Oh my god.
高会 高会
Oh, that's so cute. How is it?
Oh, really? Can I try? Try the mochi.
Why your face like that?
It's not mochi. Like it has the mochi taste, but something else in the powder.
Oh, very nice eh?
Really different.
It's really nice.
Oh, it's even softer than mochi.
I don't know what they put inside.
I love the powder.
Yeah. Almond?
It's also very sweet.
Almond powder?
I was about to say sand.
That's a secret recipe. It's sand.
Why? Just because it's Shazhou, you put sand.
It looks like sand, bro. It looks like sand.
You just put 跟着一啊。
Yeah, but that's not wrong.
Oh, thank you.
Is it, huh?
Lamb soup. I am here to try the lamb soup.
Bitch, get out the way.
Sorry, bitch. Oh, it's so good.
Especially cold weather right now.
Oh, fucking good. It's damn hot, right? It's really, really hot.
But it's really good though.
I don't want to explain to you, it just tastes good.